Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is updated and that you're signed into the correct account. This avoids unexpected menu differences. Once done, back up any drafts or content linked to Threads so you don't lose work. Open Instagram and visually locate the Threads banner in your feed or at the top where stories are. That tells you which UI path to follow next. Make sure you notice whether the banner is a persistent header or an in-feed card before moving on. Now you'll remove the banner by adjusting notifications and account links. Go to Settings, then Notifications, turn off Threads notifications and any suggested content toggles. This reduces algorithmic placement. Next, go to Account and look for linked apps or sharing settings. Unlink Threads so Instagram treats it as unrelated. If the banner persists, clear app cache or app data. That forces the UI to refresh. Once cleared, relaunch Instagram and verify the banner's gone, because a UI refresh often finalizes the change. Finish by training Instagram's algorithm and using direct controls to stop the banner from returning. Mute or unfollow accounts that post Threads links and hide suggested posts. These actions reduce reappearance. For in-feed banners, press the three-dot menu and choose Not Interested or Hide so the system learns your preference. If the banner still comes back within a day or two, reinstall the app or switch to another device briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.